What's up, everybody? It's Brandon Greenplate.
And Evan Greenplate here.
With the Greenplate Group. We're out at one of our family projects right now, 10 Moonshell, located in Fyfield. Evan, why are we so hot on this neighborhood in Fyfield?
We really strongly believe that Fyfield is one of the neighborhoods coming up that is going to experience appreciation similar to a Forest Beach did. We're here, this is a second row home. You're able to buy closer to the beach for a little bit less money than you say would in Forest Beach, or especially a gated community like a Sea Pines or a Palmetto Dunes.
Let's go check it out. We gutted it to the studs and we did a full transformation and repurposed the property from what it once was to what it is going to be here shortly. Come on. All right, so we are on the first level of this property, and we've had a lot of success in the past with taking separate lockouts, meaning this used to be a separate living area downstairs, and upstairs was also a separate living area, and connecting the two into one big house. And the reason for that is, what is the most important things for vacation rentals, again, success?
So when you're able to connect these two, you're able to get multiple families in here. You're able to bump up the rental rate. You're able to probably get at least 2 families in here, I would think. And it's gonna be a fantastic location. Pull right out back here.
And the beach is right there. So this was a 2-1, 2-bedroom, 1-bath on the first floor. And then upstairs was a separate 2-1 as well. Now we're combining them. We took 1 bedroom out down here. This will be the kitchen where we're standing. This will be the pool area with sliders, and we have 3 additional bedrooms and 2 baths upstairs. So it will be a 4-bed, 3-bath. And it's down to the studs right now. New electrical, new mechanical, new plumbing, new everything you can think of. And this house we bought for about $850,000, and we'll put about $400,000 into it. When it's done, it should be worth anywhere from 1.5 to 1.75 and producing $150,000 to $200,000 per year. So this is the moneymaker right here, these stairs. When you're looking for a value add property, if you can add another bedroom, if you can connect 2 separate units, if you can really, like what we did in this case, change the use. It was 2 separate units, now it's 1 big unit. This is gonna have a slider that goes out here as well with a porch that looks over the pool. We're second row ocean. How far are we from the beach here, Evan?
Probably about 50 steps to the beach. And one of the coolest aspects to Fyfield is you have these private access points just for owners and renters only. You have a public beach access down this way, but you have these super cool access points that weaves through the jungle almost to get to the beach. It's a really an awesome spot. If you haven't checked out Fyfield, just drive around and check it out. It's like your kind of classic island Hilton Head feel back here.
Yeah, guys, and if you're looking for a value add opportunity, look for something. Maybe you don't have to go as this far, but look for value add in the form of changing the use, adding a bedroom, connecting an upstairs, downstairs, and we guarantee it will reappraise for much more than you have into it. Greenplate Group,
Out.
See you guys.
See ya.